Welcome to this tutorial on enum properties and methods in Kotlin. In this video, we'll explore how to create rich enumerations by adding custom properties and methods to enum constants, making them far more powerful than simple constant lists. Let's start with a quick review of basic enums. Here we have a simple direction enum with 4 constants: north, south, east, and west. This is the most basic form of an enum in Kotlin, where each constant is just a named value without any additional data. Now let's make our enums more useful by adding properties. In this priority enum, we've added a level property of type int to the enum class. Each constant, low, medium, high, and urgent, provides a specific integer value in parentheses. This allows each enum constant to carry its own data. Enums can have multiple properties, just like regular classes. This color enum demonstrates having 2 properties: RGB of type int for the color code and label of type string for the display name. Each constant, red, green, and blue, provides values for both properties. Enums can also have methods. Notice the semicolon after the last enum constant. This is required when adding methods. Here, the status enum has an isComplete method that returns a Boolean. This method checks if the current enum constant equals active, demonstrating how enums can have behavior in addition to data. Here's a comprehensive example combining properties and methods. The planet enum has 2 properties: mass and radius, both of type double. It also includes a surface gravity method that calculates and returns the surface gravity using the gravitational constant and the planet's properties. This shows how enums can encapsulate both data and complex calculations. Using enum properties and methods is straightforward. To access a property, simply use dot notation. Priority dot level returns 3 for high priority. To call a method, use dot notation with parentheses. Earth.surfaceGravity returns 9.81. This demonstrates how naturally enums integrate with Kotlin's object-oriented features. Let's summarize what we've learned. Enums can have properties defined in their constructor, and each enum constant provides specific values for these properties. Methods can be added after a semicolon separator following the last constant. Together, properties and methods transform enums from simple constant lists into powerful, self-contained data structures with behavior. This makes them ideal for modeling domain concepts with both state and logic.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.